The next question is E11, 25 and 26. Pango Limited owns land that it purchased at a cost of 400 million in 2017. The company chooses to use revaluation accounting to account for the land. The land's value fluctuates as follows. All amounts in thousands as of December 31st. 2017, 450,000, 2018, 360,000, 2019, 385,000, 2020, 410,000, and 2021, 460,000. So we need to complete this table below, for 5 years. And then in 26, we use this information to do the journal entries for each year. Okay, so we will first do the table first. So for 2017, it purchased for 400 million, and then at the end of the year, it is revalued to 450,000. So it is an increase. So if it is an increase, okay, in revaluation, remember, it is still unrealized gain. The unrealized gain will be under the other comprehensive income, and then it will be closed in accumulated other comprehensive income. So 50,000 under other comprehensive income, and then 50,000 also under accumulated other comprehensive income, and no recognition in net income because it is other comprehensive income. And then in 2018, the value of the land become 360,000. So from 450 become 360. So it is decreased by 90,000. So this accumulated other comprehensive income, it is like retained earnings. So it is like a reserve that can be used. So when we want to revalue to 360, it means there will be a loss of 90,000. So to cover that 90,000, first of all, we will use the reserve in accumulated other comprehensive income first of 50,000. Okay, and then the rest of the 40,000, it will be lost on impairment. That will be under net income. So as you can see here, the other comprehensive income is minus 50,000, and this minus 50,000 will write off the accumulated other comprehensive income, becomes 0. And then the rest 40,000 will be the loss on impairment. Okay, that will be recognized in other income and expense. And then for 2019, it is increased to 385,000. So from 360 to 385, so an increase of 25,000. So remember, for impairment, we can recover the impairment loss that we have done before. So this will be the recovery of impairment, the 25,000. Recovery of impairment will be recognized under net income in other income and expense. So only 25,000 here. Okay, and then for 2020, it is increased again from 385 to 410, increased by 25,000. So remember, our impairment is only 40,000. Okay, we have used the recovery of 25,000 in 2019, so left 15,000 that we can recover. Okay, so that's why here the one that we recognize in net income is only 15,000. This is the recovery. The other 10,000 will be again the unrealized gain. So we need to spend the recovery of impairment loss first, and then we will go back again to the unrealized gain. So the other comprehensive income will be 10,000, and then it will be the accumulated other comprehensive income. And then in 2021, it is 460,000. So an increase again from 2020 by 50,000. Okay, so this 50,000 will be unrealized gain. So the accumulated other comprehensive income will be from the previous year plus this year. So that's why this is 60,000. From 10,000 plus 50,000 becomes 60,000. This will be the usual unrealized gain. And then for 1126, we need to do the journal entries for each year. For 2017, it is the usual revaluation journal entry. So debit land, credit unrealized gain on revaluation land. 50,000. And then in 2018, remember we have the amount decreased by 90,000. So first of all, we will spend the accumulated other comprehensive income first, yeah, by debiting the unrealized gain on revaluation, yeah. So there is 50,000, and then the rest 40,000 will be lost on impairment, yeah, and then the land amount will be decreased by 90,000. And then in 2019, the amount is increased by 25,000. So first of all, we need to recover from the impairment first. So will be debit land credit recovery of impairment loss 25,000. And then in 2020, it is increased again by 25,000. So remember, we will spend first the recovery from the impairment loss. The remainder amount is 15,000, and then the rest will be again the unrealized gain on revaluation. Yeah, so debit land 25,000, and then in 2021 it is just the usual revaluation. So debit land credit unrealized gain on revaluation 50,000.